Today I'm sharing a few Christmas DIYs that are inspired by some beautiful high-end pieces that you see during Christmas, but made using thrift store finds, dollar store supplies, and a few things I already had at home. I love Christmas, so I find this fun to be able to take advantage of this Christmas in July time and get some fresh ideas out to all of you ahead of time. The first project started with one of these little thrifted nutcrackers. Last year I found a whole bag of them at the thrift store for just a few dollars, and I'm still finding different ways to use them in my Christmas decorating. To turn it into a bookend, I cut a small piece of scrap wood for the base. It ended up being a little too big, so I took it back out to the miter saw and trimmed it down just a little bit more so it was the perfect size. Then I hot glued the nutcracker onto the wood and sanded down the edges a little. Once everything was attached, I spray painted the entire piece a beautiful shiny gold. It's such an easy project, but it completely changed the look of this little thrifted nutcracker. I think it looks so nice styled with a stack of Christmas books on a shelf. For the next DIY, I started with a tiny clay pot. I covered it with rub and buff to give it more of an aged metallic finish, then lightly rubbed on a little brown paint to tone it down and give it a slightly worn look. Next, I threaded a small piece of scrap fabric through the hole in the bottom of the pot. I used a little stick inside to hold it in place, then tied a simple bow at the top. It's just a tiny little project, but I think details like this can add a lot when you're decorating. For this project, I wanted to make my own version of one of those little berry trees you often see in home decor stores. I saw one on the Pottery Barn website that I thought I could recreate in a smaller version. I started with another clay pot, then took some packing paper and shaped it into a cone. After gluing it into the pot, I covered the entire tree with little berry picks that I had picked up at the dollar store last Christmas. First, I thought it was finished, but after looking at it for a while, I wasn't completely happy with it. So I decided to pull it back out of the pot and spray paint the whole thing gold. I wasn't sure how the little foam berries would handle the spray paint, and they actually melted just a little bit, but I ended up liking it even more because it gave the berries a really nice texture that almost sparkles. Sometimes those unexpected little changes end up making the project even better. For the last DIY, I used a thrifted frame and some Christmas sheet music. I cut the sheet music down to fit inside the frame. couldn't remove the backing without damaging the artwork that was already inside, and I didn't want to ruin it, so instead of gluing the sheet music in place, I used a little sticky tack. That way I can take it out after Christmas and use the frame again. To finish it off, I tied a simple green bow at the top. It's an easy way to add a little Christmas touch to your home. I hope these DIYs gave you a few ideas if you're starting your Christmas crafting a little early this year. I always enjoy finding simple ways to create pieces that have a high-end look without spending very much. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Mm-hmm.